Good morning class 7th students. From today your revision is going to be started. So let us revise chapter 4 simple equations. The chapter was based on solving equations and forming equations. How do we form equation? We form equation by using basics of algebra which you have studied in class 6. So let us suppose a condition. Suppose we have been given a condition, the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. Okay. So first of all, let us form an expression. Sum of 3 times x. 3 times x. This is the 3 times x and 11. That means plus 11. It is what? This is an expression. Because there is no equality sign. Is 32. That means it is equal to 32. Now it has become an equation. ये एक equation बन गया. So let us solve this equation. हम लोग इस equation को solve करेंगे. We will try to make variable. ये x क्या है? ये variable है. Okay? What is variable? The value will be changed. The value of variable will change in each equation according to the condition or situation. यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू सॉल्व करने पर कुछ और आएगी और नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन में x की वैल्यू विल बी समथिंग डिफरेंट. सो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. 11 is added here. We will subtract 11 from both sides. So it will be equal to 3x plus 11 is equal to plus 11 minus 11 is equal to 32 minus 11. You will write in brackets subtract 11 from both sides. It will be equal to 3x is equal to 121. Okay. Now divide by 3 both sides. Upon 3 upon 3. You will write divide by 3 both sides. Will get 7. X is equal to 7. So we have find the value of x. This is how we solve the equation. Look at everybody. Question number 6, page number 82. Set up an equation for the following cases. In this section, we are willing to set up an equation. Question number 6, page number 82, first part. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Irfan का marbles जो है that is given in terms of Parmeet marbles also and individually 37 also. Okay. So let us take, in bracket it is given that take m to be number of Parmeet's marble. ये hint है, this will not be given in question paper. In question paper you will take the variable of your own choice. You will suppose variable whatever you are willing to suppose. So let m be marbles of Parmeet. So Irfan के पास कितना हो जाएगा 7 marbles more than 5 times. 5 times Parmeet marbles, 5m plus 7. Okay. Irfan has how many? Look at the question, second line is equal to 37. Both are of Irfan marbles. दोनों इरफान का ही मार्बल है, so both will be equal to each other. 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. This is the expression. This is the equation in fact. आपको यही equation सेटअप करना था. You will set up the equation. What if अगर इसी का सॉल्यूशन निकालना रहता, अगर इसी का हम लोग का सॉल्यूशन निकालना रहता, सेम क्वेश्चन इज गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 91, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का फर्स्ट पार्ट. सी, Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times marbles Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmeet have? Okay, so here not any variable is given, so we will solve this equation solving like this. We will solve this question like this. Let m be marbles of Parmeet. So Irfan has 5m plus 7, Irfan has 37, both are equal to each other. Now we will solve this equation to get m. What is m? M is Parmeet's marble, and in question we are supposed to find Parmeet's marble. So 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. Subtract 7 from both sides. 5m is equal to 37 minus 7. 5m is equal to 30. Divide by 5 from both sides. M is equal to 6. How many marbles Parmeet have? Parmeet have m marbles. So both questions are interconnected to each other. एक दूसरे से connected थे. पहले एक्सरसाइज में आपको वही इक्वेशन फॉर्म करना था और एक्सरसाइज 4 में उसी इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कर देना था. So basically this exercise is based on equation forming and solving. I hope you have understand it properly and you can do it. So try to do. एक और क्वेश्चन बता दे रही हूँ, एक्सरसाइज 4.3 पेज नंबर 89, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का डी पार्ट. सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस है. 4 प्लस 5 ब्रैकेट p माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 34. 4 को उधर ले जाएंगे, दैट मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट 4 फ्रॉम बोथ साइड, इट विल बी इक्वल टू 4 प्लस 5 ब्रैकेट p माइनस 1 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 34 माइनस 4 ब्रैकेट में सब्ट्रैक्ट 4 फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स, it will be equal to 5. p minus 1 is equal to 30. Okay, now divide by 5 both side. 5 divide by 5 both sides. p minus 1 is equal to 6. Again, if it is minus 1, we'll add 1 both sides. p minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1, add 1 both sides, p equal to 7. It will be the answer. Solve the whole chapter and prepare for examination. Thank you.